everyone, I'm Tessa Bauer. Welcome to my first live video. I wanted to share today with you the importance of gut health and how important it is to digest your food. Today I'm going to do a pudding test and just show you how digestive enzymes and probiotics will break down the cooked and processed food in our system. So I'm just going to use a pack of pudding. This is going to represent the cooked processed food that we eat, hopefully not on a daily basis. Hopefully you are eating a lot of raw with your meals because anything that's raw, like the fruits and vegetables, have the enzymes in them. And how we decipher that is you can, take a bite of an apple, an orange, it turns brown. Those are the enzymes breaking it down. We have actually taken a hamburger and had it for at least 6 years from a well-known burger place, and all it does is dry out the bun and the bread. The bun and the hamburger are still there intact. Everything else has disappeared because it had its own enzymes in it. So that's kind of the difference between eating live and cooked and processed food. So this is just a pudding. You can see that it's kind of stuck in there. It probably will fall out, but it's going to fall out in a big chunk. But what I'm going to do is just put one of our plant-based enzyme. It's the full spectrum of enzymes, and I'm going to break it up in here. And it will break down anything that you would consume in a Thanksgiving meal. Your fats, your proteins, your sugars, your carbs, gluten. Anything that is cooked and over 116 degrees is dead. And I'm just going to stir this for about 30 seconds, and it's going to break it down into a liquid, and that's what you want your food to do in your system. Your pancreas has all the digestive enzymes in it, but it kind of depends on, our ancestry of how many enzymes are in the system after they're passed on down. Because you'll see a lot of people with that are lactose intolerant. They're missing the enzyme lactase. People that have achy joints or arthritis, like I did, I ate a lot of protein, so I was missing or lacking the enzyme protease. So that's what happens when you start lacking different enzymes, and we lose at least 10% of our ability to digest food every 10 years. So that's why you'll see people get on blood thinners. You'll see people that are elderly eating soft foods because they're not able to break down their food and digest it anymore. And a lot of times people are getting the acid reflux or IBS like me. I had IBS a long time ago, and my stomach ended up bloating clear out. It was very, very painful. The only thing that would help it go away at that time was painkillers, and I knew I couldn't live like that, so I was introduced to these digestive enzymes about 16 years ago. They do have a daily supply of probiotics in them, and that helps with gut health. Your gut is your second brain, so it's your immunity. Everything stems from your gut, so that's very important. And I want to just show you the results right now. And it turned it into a liquid, and actually it's going to turn it into even more so a water the longer I let it sit here. So that's just that one enzyme breaking down cooked and processed food. So if you need help digesting your food, going to the bathroom, you have acid reflux, arthritis, anything that, is kind of ailing to you, I suggest to reach out, and I will help you in helping you find the sources of the problem, and it's usually digesting your food and inflammation. Any disease is linked back to some sort of inflammation. So we don't cure these diseases. I'm not claiming that by any means, but they will make them a lot more bearable and easier to deal with on a daily basis. So reach out to me if you want any more information. Thanks so much.